Welcome to Raching Cars, your go-to destination for the most exciting and detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modified 2025 BYD Dolphin Surf, a compact EV that's redefining the electric hatchback game with next-level tech, safety, and sleek design. The 2025 Dolphin Surf arrives with a more aggressive look than its predecessor, featuring a sculpted front bumper, black Aero-style grille, sportier LED headlights, and sharp character lines along the sides. The rear is enhanced with a roof spoiler, full-width LED light bar, and bold Dolphin Surf badging. Sitting on custom 18-inch alloys and lowered suspension, the modified version boasts a more planted, athletic stance. Under the hood is a 155-horsepower electric motor paired with a 43.2 kWh blade battery that delivers up to 507 kilometers of city range. It supports DC fast charging at 85 kilowatts, achieving 10 to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Inside, this modern cabin now features premium eco-leather seats with contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and a new 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assistant, and real-time energy flow visuals. A 360-degree HD camera system and enhanced ADAS suite offer adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, and even a fatigue detection camera. Storage is clever too, with over 20 smart compartments and a boot space that expands from 316L to 1037L. The suspension has been tuned for city comfort with tighter steering feedback. The Dolphin Surf also comes with vehicle-to-load tech, allowing you to power external devices directly from the car, perfect for outdoor adventures. This is a future-forward hatchback built for modern city life. Thanks for watching Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart car content that keeps you ahead of the curve.